Hello, my name is Diego Garcia del Rio. I'm here with Nuage Networks, and I wanted to show a bit of multi-vendor interop managed by the Nuage VSP. And what we're trying to cover is a bit some of the problem statements that ONUG has expressed, and is the fact that existing data centers have a large number of non-virtualized assets. And while introducing overlays is a very interesting part of the solution to solve some of the VLAN creep and some of the issues that existing data center topologies have, the problem is that in the overlays themselves, they introduce connectivity islands and they create isolation between the overlay segments and the underlay segments of the data center. So by adding top of racks as gateways, what we're doing is helping bridge the gap between the overlay and the bare metal worlds. And what we're going to show now is how Nuage integrates with several of the top of rack vendors to manage and provide the connectivity of the overlay and the underlay, and being able to integrate both the virtual assets and the physical assets of the data center. So we have several partners for OVSDB integration, including Arista was our first partner, HP, Dell, Cumulus, and we're going to be showing also integration with the VPN with some Cisco top of racks as well. So the setup that we wanted to show is we're going to have the virtualized services directory, which is our policy engine, talking through API to an OpenStack, RedHat OpenStack implementation, and then through our services controller, our OpenFlow, our SDN controller, we're going to be talking OVSDB to an HP top of rack, as well as EVPN to the Cisco top of rack, where we're going to show connectivity to the bare metal assets, as well as connecting to a few hypervisors with software managed endpoints, and those virtual machines are directly on OpenStack itself. The topology that we want to show in this case is a fully distributed layer 3 service implemented across the physical and virtual infrastructure using VXLAN as the transport, EVPN as the control plane, and we're going to be attaching some virtual machines, which are the green attached devices, and bare metal servers, which are the orange attached devices in our network topology. In this case, what we have is we're going to show how we're going to attach VLAN 100 with bare metal 1099.10.100 to the system. And to do that, we go to the Nuage Networks UI. I'm going to select my layer 3 network, and I have my HP subnet to which I want to add a virtual bridge. Just before that though, I want to show you that on the, I'm going to create the attachment of the bridge, and I'm going to call it VLAN 100, for example. I select the gateway itself, the HP gateway. I'm going to select then the port 111 and VLAN 100 for it. I click create, and this will push the configuration down to the HP gateway automatically. And the next thing we can do is go to my OpenStack system, and I'm going to connect to the server, one of the virtual machines, and ping the physical server that we just attached behind the HP switch. So here I'm connecting now to the virtual machine, and I'm going to issue a ping towards that virtual machine, and we can see the traffic is going through, and also I'm able to then connect as well and do a ping to the server connected to the Cisco switch as well. So we can see we have both connectivity in that case, and the integration is fully available both through directly the VSD, the Nuage API and user interface, as well as exposed through Neutron network extensions. So we have our own gateway extension, so you're able to do all the bare metal attachment directly through Neutron as well. Basically, that was a bit the view that we wanted to show on how it's possible to bridge the overlay world, the underlay world, the bare metal assets, and the virtual assets. And we're going to have quite a bit more to show you at our booth, including our BSAP for underlay and overlay correlation, and the different kind of troubleshooting. Thank you very much.